Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Next, amazingly chickpea biryani, so tasty. So I decided to share the recipe. I'm gonna make a video again. I made this chickpea biryani. It's so tasty. I have to share the recipe with you. And it was made with 1 tablespoon of oil. That is all in it. 1 tablespoon, or you can say teaspoon, and it is so tasty. So I'm going to share the recipe shown. I'm using basmati rice. Okay, so we're gonna do chickpea biryani. 1 cup basmati rice cooked, and we got chickpeas. Now I'm gonna show you. It's very simple. I have my half a teaspoon of oil with little bit of cumin seed and asafoetida, and to that I'm going to drain the chickpea, wash it out, and just pour the chickpea without any water. And I'm going to show you. I will add a little bit of spices and just cook the chickpea first. So I have my chickpea. Into that I added a little bit of salt, turmeric, garam masala powder, and biryani masala powder. You can add any vegetable masala powder as well. Any kind of masala will do. So now I'm going to cook this chickpea, and then I'll show you the next process. It's going to take about 5 minutes or so to cook this chickpea, but this one needs to be dry, no water. So as you can see, the chickpeas are done. Now I'm going to do the rice. I'm going to get some cilantro leaves chopped up for that. So here's your oil-free, very simple, easy, quick, tasty biryani with chickpeas. Now you can add to it boiled egg, and you can add to it sauteed onion on top of it. And this is as good as a store biryani, and it's cooked in half a teaspoon of oil. And each time you feel like while adding the chickpea to the rice that you need oil, you just sprinkle some water, and it will work as if it is oil. And it is so healthy and tasty, and it's just good, all good. So try it once and see. It's so simple, quick biryani, and it tastes awesome. And you can keep sauteed up onion to sprinkle on top of it. You can add some cooked chicken pieces if that's what you eat, and you can add some boiled egg cut up on top of it. So thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share, and I'll see you with many more quick, easy, simple creation. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.